listen up. One day, there was a squirrel living in a forest. The squirrel loves nuts, and that's all it wanted to have in its whole life. You could say that the squirrel is a nut connoisseur. Every morning, it woke up and had some tasty nuts as its breakfast. It even had a nice and warm nut milk to complete the breakfast. After that, the squirrel wrote down in its little nutty notebook all the nuts it wanted to find and taste. In the afternoon, the squirrel went out to meet its friends who were also nut enthusiasts. They will talk about nuts and all nuts for a long time. In special occasions, they would bring their nuts from home and exchange their nuts. Amazing! The nut exchange was to let themselves to taste each other's favorite nuts. And the townspeople knew that the squirrel was a big nut fan. There were some people who were willing to give the squirrel some of their nuts. Yes, for free! Free nuts! Every evening, the squirrel would go around town to collect some people's nuts. Free nuts, amazing nuts, tasty nuts. The squirrel walked home, bringing a lot of nuts from the people. There were times when the squirrel had to put some of the nuts inside its mouth since its hands couldn't carry more nuts. So the squirrel enjoyed its life very much, a fulfilling life, full of nuts. The end. So, happy Non-Stop Nut November, everybody! Thank you so much. Share this story now.